Hi everyone, Jeremy here from Video Editor Studio, and today I'm going to show you how to use this Levitation effect inside of DaVinci Resolve. This effect is part of our free starter pack, which is the complete toolkit we've built for DaVinci Resolve. In this video, we'll cover when and how to use it. You can download it for free with the link in the description below. And with that being said, let's get into it. You can download the pack with the link in the description below. Just enter your email and we'll send the pack directly to your inbox. After downloading your pack, you'll get a zip file. Double-click on the zip file to unzip it, which will give you a folder. In that folder, you'll find a couple of things: the installation instruction, the license, the DRFX file for DaVinci Resolve, and the font used to create the assets. Start by installing the fonts. Without them, DaVinci Resolve will not know which font to use, which can result in a black screen when you drag your title onto the timeline. To install the font, simply go to the font folder. If you're on Mac, just select all the font and double-click on them. This will open a window asking if you want to install the font. Select Install. If you're on Windows, same thing. Just select all the font and then right-click and select Install. Alternatively, you can drag or copy and paste the font directly into your computer fonts folder. Once the fonts are installed, double-click on the DRFX file to install the pack. This process is the same for both Mac and Windows. This will open DaVinci Resolve, if not already, and prompt open a window asking if you want to install the pack. Select Install. Once in DaVinci Resolve, you can go over to your effect library, Effect, Video Editor Studio, and then here in the free starter pack 2.0, you will have the Levitation effect. You can then just take it and drag it in any of the media in your timeline. For example, right here, I have the DaVinci Resolve logo, and if we play that, as you can see, we are having like a levitation effect on it. You can adjust the levitation smoothness and the strength, so it's pretty straightforward. And I would recommend to pretty much like put the levitation smoothness to the max because it tends to have like a cleaner result. At least that's what I prefer. But then if the effect is too subtle, you can increase the levitation strength to have a movement that is a bit more pronounced. So that's pretty much all there is to it. It's very simple, only two controls, but that can really help to make your composition more dynamic. For example, specifically when you are using also titles for like dubbing or things like that, you could use that in combination here to all clean motion. So if you go over to Title, Video Editor Studio, and then go down to the free starter pack 2.0, you will find Clean Motion 2.0 and 3.0. You could use here, for example, like any of the title right here, drag that in. And so we have an animation here coming in, but then we could make it even more interesting if the text is staying a bit longer on screen. Dropping the levitation on it gonna make it like pop a little bit. So here I can go back to my effect, free starter pack, and then drag the levitation directly onto that title. And now we'll have the initial animation coming in, and then we'll have that levitation effect adding to it. So that can really help to make that feel more dynamic. So here is the side-by-side with the effect and without the effect. As you can tell, it really helped to make the title more interesting and keep viewers' attention by having additional movement in your composition. And that's pretty much it. It's simple but powerful. I hope this video was helpful. Please let me know in the comment what kind of video you would like to see next, and I'll see you in the next one. If you need motion graphic assets for DaVinci Resolve, we have over 50 carefully crafted packs available on our website, including transitions, effects, and titles built specifically for DaVinci Resolve. You can get started now, completely free, by downloading our starter pack that contains over 300 assets. Get it with the link in the description below or directly on the website at videoeditorstudio.com.